I am Abby. I'm a physical therapy student at UCLA working with you today. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me?
Ben Just, April 12th, 1930.
Alright, so today we're going to perform pulmonary auscultation. Before performing pulmonary auscultation, I've washed my hands, sanitized, and worn the stethoscope before placing it on him. The patient should be sitting upright or standing, not leaning on anything, as well as having their shirt off if that's comfortable for them. It does need to be performed on bare skin, so you can go up and under the shirt if necessary. So you're going to have to follow a systematic pattern starting on the patient's right side. Have them take a deep breath in through and out of their mouth. And you'll do the same on the back.